Welcome to this web development tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to create basic level blocks in your web projects. You'll need a text editor and I'll be using VS Code. You can find the link to it in the video description, along with the web browser for viewing the results. Let's start by creating a folder for our project, which I'll name First Step, and open it in our text editor. Then create a new file by right-clicking or double-clicking on Mac and select New File. Name this file index.html. The .html extension will inform your browser that we are working with HTML. Now we can hide this area as we won't need it for now. Type HTML5 and when your editor suggests it, press tab on the keyword. We can see some sort of HTML structure. To see the changes, we'll need the Live Server extension in VS Code. Links to all the useful tools are in the video description. Call the context menu by double-clicking or right-clicking on Mac and choose Open with Live Server, and it runs this local server. All the changes we make will be inside the body tag. Don't worry about other tags for now. I'll cover those in another video. Let's begin with the div tag. It's one of the most common elements in web development. It's a block level element, which means it automatically extends to 100% width by default. We can place text or other tags inside it, like learning HTML div block tag. Let's begin with a div tag. It's one of the most common elements in web development. Sometimes we need different margin or padding values on each side. Let's try margin 10 pixels to see how it moves our block. For padding and margins, you can set a single value for all sides or specify them individually. Don't hesitate to experiment with different values. Now, let's talk about the span tag. It's an inline element, meaning it takes the width of its content. Inline elements don't apply top and bottom margins. The text size, you can apply the font size property to your text. You can specify it individually or to the body tag to affect all text elements. Typically, pixels or RAM units are used. Designers often provide these values. There is also a third type of HTML element, inline block. It combines features of both block and inline elements. I'll show how it can help with margins while maintaining the width of inline element. The important HTML tags: header, footer, section, main, and article. Header contains links, a logo, and the top content of the page. Footer tag, typically placed at the bottom of the page for contact information. Main tag, used for the main content of your website. Article tag, often used for blogs such as news or forum posts. And last one, section, helps to divide your content into different sections. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you enjoyed the video, have questions, or would like to see more in this series, please let me know in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button under the video.